Alright guys, this is Jerningham. They apparently found a drug called Remdesivir. Apparently it destroys part of the coronavirus. And they've been using it for HIV, apparently. People have got that. And they're doing tests in America. And apparently, I don't know if they're going to bring it into the UK, they may do. But we're going to be playing the video and we're going to be showing you the video about it. If this is a breakthrough, they were saying, to cure coronavirus or cure some of the patients of the coronavirus. But who knows, but we will look at the video and check it out in a minute. So yeah.
It has shortened recovery time in some patients by up to 4 days. The drug has been fast-tracked for use in America, where it's been compared to the breakthrough drugs used to treat HIV.
It's the first step in what we project will be better and better drugs coming along, either alone or in combination, drugs of this type and drugs addressing other targets of the virus. So it's good news, but I was very serious when I said this is not the total answer by any means, but it's a very important first step.
While the search for the vaccine continues, Remdesivir is the closest thing doctors have to a cure or treatment for the disease.
Very few drugs for very few diseases have really dramatic benefits. And when we look back at HIV, we found that even though individual drugs worked quite well, the real way to make a big difference was using combinations of drugs. And my view is that it's likely that combinations of drugs will prove to be most beneficial. But we can't throw our hands up and say this is the end of the road.
Clinical trials are continuing here, but the international evidence seems to have convinced the government to make Remdesivir the first medicine approved for coronavirus patients in Britain. But only a few selected patients will be given the drug. The government won't say how many or how soon. Matt Hancock is clearly very excited about this development, but we need to temper our expectations. That's because Remdesivir is in extremely short supply. Its producer, Gilead Sciences, said it was increasing the global supply, but it expected availability to be extremely limited for the next few months. There are many drugs being trialed and tested, but it looks like Remdesivir is the one that offers the best hope. Until a vaccine is found, it may be the only hope. Ashish Joshi, Sky News.
Well, let's hope that helps, guys, that Remdesivir or the Ebola drug what cured it for a lot of people that had Ebola in Africa, or you know, if it wins, if it gets past approval, then people will be a lot happier getting the vaccine for the coronavirus, because that's all what we've been all waiting for, and people have been waiting for. And it's been going on for too long, this lockdown, for a lot of people, and they're getting sick and tired of it. That's why most people are going back to work, and most of these kids are going back to high school, and most of the teenagers are going back to college, and you know, factories are going to be opening, pubs eventually, and nightclubs. But I don't know. If you're not seeing this video, I'd check it out for yourself and tell your friends about it. Anyway, guys, better go for now. Thanks for joining me. See you next one. Peace.